Faux Castries, St Lucia, a Jamaican man shot dead, one to the head. Greetings and salutations to all nations, especially my Jamaicans. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel if you have not turned the notifications on, ladies and gentlemen. Build up the Rastaman panel. Just over 2 weeks ago, a man was shot dead in St Lucia, but authorities in the Eastern Caribbean country could not identify him. Well, the Royal St Lucian Police has since managed to identify this person that is a gunshot victim of Jamaica. According to the RSLPF, he is 61-year-old National Michael Wayne Johnson-Streete. The police in St Lucia said that began their probe in April 18 after Johnson-Streete was discovered with apparent wound to the head at Faux À Chaud in the country's capital of Castries in St Lucia. Initially, the investigators were unable to identify the Jamaican. However, inquiry advanced. He has officially been identified. The post-mortem examination of the 61-year-old body determined that his cause of death was a gunshot wound to the head. While thanking the public for its support, the Royal St. Lucia Police Force would appeal to anyone with information regarding the murder to contact the Criminal Investigation Department of the Major Crime Unit. Now, if you see this in any newspaper worldwide, people don't know say, when you are Jamaican, the rest of people them want to see your life slide. Imagine this young man wear Faux À Chaud in a Castries in a St Lucia. Listen, the police probe and find out finally because him dead from April 18. It appears that Johnson-Streete was discovered with apparent gunshot wound. Listen, them never need no forensic investigation, no post-mortem to find out why him lose him life. But I guess they had to go through it. There's all kind of stripes against Jamaican worldwide. Them smiling at your face, but behind you are you them hate. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you know what me I say. If I lie, me I tell. They don't like we worldwide, but guess what? We love them everywhere. Whether it's snowing or whether it's a landslide. But in a Jamaica, we want everyone to come through and see how we're loving and kind. But remember, our third world country are quanging the power we mind. Faux À Chaud, St Lucia. In the capital, ladies and gentlemen, of St Lucia, they are saying in Castries, they are saying that a Jamaican, a 61-year-old, has been identified finally because him get quang long time from April 18 from 2024. How long? And now them are come tell you we done in a May. Say them find out a who. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel and build up the Rastaman panel. Share it up, St. Lucia. Me know say you don't love we, so don't worry yourself. And we love you too. Maybe he was in something dirty or nasty. I don't know how to quang him. But a Jamaican man shot dead. Faux À Chaud. Yes, in the capital of St. Lucia in Castries. Yes, that's the capital of St. Lucia. And they said they have finally identified this man. Finally.